Looking for a video wall that sets you apart? Looking to transform a space or engage your audience? Need something that's a little different? Something that cuts through the clutter? Userful makes it easy and cost-effective to deploy one-of-a-kind, unique artistic video walls of any size and any configuration. In this video, we'll look at the many kinds of unique video walls you can create with Userful. And then we'll look at how Userful works and how easy it is to use. And finally, we'll show you where you can get pricing online anytime. With Userful, you can rotate not just an entire video wall, but also the individual displays within a video wall, 360 degrees. This gives maximum design flexibility when creating a unique video wall. With Userful, you can also mix and match display sizes and types. For example, a mix of 16:9 and 1:1 or cube displays. You can place displays anywhere on the image canvas and can overlap displays. You can create other types of unusual layout with displays in a banner or in a column, and Userful can handle the odd aspect ratio of the content that's needed. When it comes to creative video walls, there's almost nothing you can't do with Userful. Userful software turns a standard PC into a high-performance video wall controller that connects the displays over the network. Userful software includes a lockdown operating system, so there's no worries about viruses or security. The purchase of Userful software includes a zero-client receiver for each display. These small devices have no moving parts, no hard drive, no software. They just output pixels and connect to the displays via HDMI, then back to the PC over the network. Everything with Userful is managed through the browser. Our easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface allows you to set up an artistic video wall with ease by entering the rotation angle of the display and its placement on the XY canvas. Your entire video wall can play one piece of content, for example, a video, content streamed over the network, content from a full-screen browser, or content from an HDMI capture card. Or you can break that video wall into zones or use multi-window for more flexibility when you want to display multiple pieces of content simultaneously. All your configuration and content changes can be pre-scheduled in Userful's cloud management tool, where you can also upload content and push it out to your video walls anywhere in the world. Scheduling is one easy way to control the content on your video wall, but you can also make changes with the click of a mouse or a touchpad. Userful allows you to create and save presets. Set up different content and zone configurations, then use a tablet or even a smartphone to invoke those changes. Userful also has an API for more advanced integrations and for using third-party hardware and software to trigger changes on the video wall. With Userful, you have an easy-to-set-up, easy-to-manage video wall solution that's high-performance, featureful, and flexible. Here at Userful, all our pricing is available online 24/7. Just visit userful.com/pricing and select Artistic Video Wall as the option you want pricing for, and we'll instantly send you complete pricing. If you want to talk to us, we're looking forward to hearing from you. Call 1-403-289-2177 or 866-873-7385, or you can email us anytime. info@userful.com. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Powered by Userful.